We visited more than 400 customers in over 20 countries. Talk with them in depth and collect product feedback. We fully understand technicians in practice labs and dental labs have high expectations regarding the footprint, size, and user experience of milling machines, and they prefer a quiet working environment. The fact is, cluttered and complicated installation, noise making it difficult to share the same room, maintenance with concerns about equipment usage issues. We are thinking, can we make a dental milling machine that doesn't require an air compressor? At the same time, upgrade the spindle's power to make it even stronger. I know we're great at managing suppliers and have solid R&D skills, so we have developed the P55D, a Servo smart system capable of high precision and stable milling.
We've been making milling machines for 6 years, and within our existing product lineup, we've made the P53 very stable with a high shipment volume. When we identified the product requirements for the P55D, I felt both excited and eager. This will be a new challenge that disrupts the current system architecture of UP3D, fully testing our abilities in software, hardware, and mechanical design. After team discussions, we decided to introduce a servo system. We have extensive experience in developing stepper systems. Their biggest advantages are their compact size and ease of use. As for servo systems, they offer higher precision control and enable silent operation. However, the challenges are higher costs, larger size, and more complex maintenance. Customers will also need more specialized personnel to operate them. So, we started wondering, can we combine the intelligence of stepper systems with the advantages of servo systems? Most milling machines with servo systems on the market today rely on third-party systems and follow industrial equipment design. This requires extra external space for the structure, leading to larger sizes and more complicated usage. After internal discussions, researching servo systems, and communicating with the drive manufacturers, we evaluated that we could develop servo control based on our own control solution. This largely solves the size issue, as using an external system would require more external space. This approach addresses the problem of large size and space requirements. We've implemented software monitoring and parameter adjustment for the drivers, so with the P55D, we've combined the benefits of the servo system, high cutting precision and quiet operation, while keeping the advantages of the stepper system, like easy use, simple maintenance, and automatic calibration. About milling PMMA, too much chips also a troublesome issue for customers. We added a built-in air pump to clean the tool setter during the tool setting process. There's also an ionizer to keep the milling process clean. Not only that, we've also upgraded the UPCNC control software. You can check the tool life at any time, and it will send reminders. With any UP3D machine, you can easily add and manage them all from one software interface to control multiple machines. So, the P55D has upgraded its dust protection system with a 98% efficiency. I've been working in dental milling machine development for a long time, so I know, during operation, the equipment vibrates and shifts. It's important to have a strong base to support the machine and stop these movements. That's why our manufacturing and casting focus on making precision the top priority. From the structure, liner guide, optical switches, everything is designed for a long-term accurate machine. The milling machine is pretty loud when running, with most of the noise coming from external components like the air compressor and vacuum. Plus, there's the sound of milling friction and the motor running. The key to making it quiet and easy to use lies in the spindle.
Hey everybody, I'm Simon from company Sikatech, and I'm really happy to announce the partnership between UP3D and us for the new milling machine P55D. Sikatech is based in South Germany and specialized in development and production of high-precision spindles. We have a very long history in supplying spindles and drives to various industries and well-known brands worldwide. During the last years, we became one of the, and maybe even the leading company for spindles in dental CAD/CAM applications, whether for dry or heavy-duty wet milling. We have started our cooperation with UP3D in the beginning of 2024, and I fondly remember being contacted first during Christmas holiday last year. UP3D showed incredible diligence and seriousness in selecting and testing spindles. Especially their commitment and their reactivity over New Year and during the early stage development was really impressive. This dedication finally led to the birth of the new milling machine, P55D. It really was an honor to be part of this development, and I'm pretty sure that we will have many more collaborations in the future, applying our technology to various intelligent milling machines. Thank you for your attention and support, and let's make this a great success together.
I'm Dr. Mike Tran, and I've been running my own dental lab and office ever since I graduated from residency. So the first office that I built, I worked myself backwards and I opened up a dental lab. It used to be that we would have to spend upwards of $80,000 to get a system that can produce quality restorations. Now with UP3D in the market, it's more accessible to a lot of people, because sometimes when I'm teaching digital dentistry and I tell people the equipment that I have, doctors are kind of like a deer in the headlights thinking, how am I going to afford all this? And I've listened to that for many, many years, and that's why I've kind of honestly changed my opinion, because in the past I've had this big milling unit that was over $100,000. I used to think that you wanted to mill wet and dry all in one machine. Now think about that. What happens if that big milling machine breaks? So then you're out of all the machines. So I would have to buy another unit for a backup. So I started thinking about that. So why buy this expensive milling unit if you can get a quality machine like the P55D, so then you can get a single unit and then you can get a different milling unit for a wet unit. In my personal opinion now, I think that's the best way to go. It's more accessible to a lot of people at a lower price point. And what I've been really impressed with after using the P55D is UP3D provides Tier 1 support in the USA. But what's really amazing is that I have nighttime and weekend support, because you know, as a dentist, sometimes you're busy and you need support on the weekend. So I always have access to support even on Saturdays. I would come in on a Saturday, my team would, or I would, and would be able to get support on the weekends. I think that's a really big benefit that UP3D provides. Why I really recommend the P55D is because it doesn't require compressed air, so it's really easy for you to move it around into your lab or your dental office. That's a big benefit because you don't need your compressor running 24/7. And that's really, really key to me. And also the spindle is a lot stronger than previous units. It also has an app, so if you're going home and milling something, you can track your progress on your app. A lot of good features, but the best thing is probably the best bang for the buck milling unit that's on the market right now. Hope that helps.
My name is Killian. I'm from Dental Prótese from Brazil. We are selling UP3D products for 5 years in Brazil. We have more than 100 units installed, mainly for P53 model. This is the P553, a new release for UP3D. It's a very good option for our clients, because this product here is a kind of evolution of P53, so we can trust that it works very well from our experience. It doesn't need air compression. That's very important for some clients. Also, another improvement is the servo motor. P53 was a stepper motor, and this one is servo motor. It has some advantages. The most important thing is, I think, for UP3D is that they provide the CAN software together with the machine with no annual fees or anything. And that's very important for our clients, especially for Brazil. Bundled all the solution together, machine and software. We do not depend on 2 different companies. Thank you.
I believe the P55D will definitely be a powerful and reliable dental milling machine.